You are the manager of a major facility. The owners have a culture that they want to build within that facility. You with me so far? You as the manager are required to develop a culture that lines up with the culture that the owner wants. Where you are right now, in your culture, what type of culture are you building in your space? Do you have a toxic environment now? I don't want you to get into that plant. I want you to get into your world, what you in charge of, whether it be your home, your family, whatever else you have influence in. What kind of environment do you have in your house? Is it toxic? Does it line up with the culture that God is looking for? Is it a culture that's subdusive to spiritual growth and development? What do your employees under you think of you? Is it a culture where everybody works together on one accord and an agreement, and they know how to come together to solve problems? What type of culture do you have in your environment?